The BrazTech Rossi Trifecta is the perfect package for the young hunter. This 3-barrel rifle and shotgun combo is a versatile shooting system that combines the 3 best-selling calibers in the Rossi line. With the stock, the gun ranges in length from 31.5 inches to 35 inches. The set includes a 22-inch .243 rifle barrel, a 22-inch 20-gauge shotgun barrel, and an 18.5-inch .22 caliber rifle barrel. Each steel barrel is finished in matte blue, and the black synthetic stock sports a removable cheek piece for the perfect fit, hammer extension, and a scope mount base. Changing barrels requires the removal of just 1 screw and can be done without tools. Each barrel has custom front sights. The shotgun has a brass bead, while the rifles have adjustable fiber optics front and rear sights. The Trifecta has 4 safety features, including the Taurus locking security system that comes with 2 keys.
The Rossi Trifecta, a 20-gauge shotgun, a .243, and a .22 long rifle. 3 guns in one, can't beat the price. Excellent starter gun for you.